Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rugged jeans. To begin, select a robust denim fabric, ideally weighing over 14 ounces per square yard, ensuring exceptional durability. Next, choose a high-strength thread, such as polyester or nylon, which is crucial for creating resilient seams that withstand significant stress. Finally, reinforce all critical stress points, like pocket corners and belt loops, with sturdy bar tacks and metal rivets for maximum longevity and resistance to wear and tear. For superior construction, employ flat felled seams on all major connections. This technique encases raw edges, preventing fraying and significantly boosting seam strength. Furthermore, double-stitch every critical seam, including the inseam and outseam, using a robust thread for enhanced resilience against daily wear. Consider adding a reinforced crotch gusset, a diamond-shaped fabric insert, to distribute stress and prevent blowouts in this high-movement area, ensuring your jeans last for years. Selecting the right hardware is paramount for rugged jeans. Install sturdy metal rivets at all pocket corners and belt loops. These small but mighty additions prevent fabric tearing under stress. Choose a heavy-duty zipper or a robust button fly closure, ensuring reliable performance and security for years of use. For areas prone to wear, like the knees or seat, consider adding a double-layer fabric patch, providing an extra barrier against abrasion and extending the garment's life. After construction, a pre-wash treatment can soften the denim, making it more comfortable and minimizing initial shrinkage. For long-term care, always wash your rugged jeans in cold water and air dry them. This method preserves the fabric's integrity, prevents excessive fading, and maintains their shape. Promptly mending any small tears or loose stitches is crucial, as early repairs prevent minor damage from becoming significant, ensuring your durable jeans remain a staple for many seasons.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.